Okay, in this lesson, I'd like to teach you how to use the symbols. Believe me, it makes it look so much more professional when you create your worksheet and it has the use of symbols. And there's quite an assortment of symbols. You'd be surprised. So, first of all, look at this. The temperature hit 2,000 degrees. They worded it out here. Or the temp hit 2,000. What if we could put the little degree symbol? So you'd go to the Insert tab and you'd go to the symbols. Once you have the symbols, you see, first of all, I want to explain, anytime that you go into this and you would like to try to set up all the ones that you commonly use during the day, go ahead and select them. Just play on any sheet that you have, because anytime that you double click and you select them, they will start appearing in here, and it will use your most recently used symbols. So then every time you open this up, the ones you commonly use will be all selected right here. You don't have to scroll through all of these and find the one that you're looking for. So let's see if we can find pi. In other words, well, first of all, let's do the degree. You can see, because of what I have selected here on the side of the 2000, and I use the degree, you see, it inserted it right there. Now we close it. Then look at the formula for the circumference. What if you had to type it out like this, since you didn't know how to find the symbols? So let's go ahead and, the formula is 2 times the radius times pi. Pi is 3.14. Well, it's a lot longer than that, but infinity. But so instead of this gibberish, you want to look very professional. So you open this up and you say, instead of that, I want to put 2 times the radius times pi. Now how can I find pi? Let's go to the symbols. And what we're looking for, if you don't know what pi looks like, go ahead and ask someone. Better to ask someone than you'd have it correct all the time. But just start looking through the symbols. I know it looks like a very elaborate deal, but as I said before, once you find them and they are selected, they stay down here. So you scroll through looking for pi. And remember what it looks like. It looks like a little curled up part of the roof, and it's standing on 2 pegs. See, that looks real close to it, but that's not pi. There, you see here? Now watch what happens when I double click it. You see, it came down here. Now that you've got pi, you go ahead and close it out, and then you see that looks so much better than this unprofessional typed out. So now you know how to find the symbols. And now when you go back to it, look, both of them are there, the pi and the degree. And if you are an architect or a geologist and you're creating measurements and things like that, that would be good to go into here, find the ones you commonly use, and then go ahead and you'd have them all saved here. That's how you utilize symbols.